Good morning, children. Today activity jump into the numbers. Okay. Azim, come and jump into the 10 number. 10. Very good. Come here. Pranita, jump into the 1 number. 1. Very good. Come. Ashish, jump into the 15 number. 15. Very good. Nitya, jump into the 4 number. 4. Very good. Come. Hiza, jump into the 7 number. 7. Where is the 7 number? Very good. Come. Sadanand, jump into the 14 number. 14. Very good. Come. Dadkan, jump into the 13 number. Very good. Come. Junaira, jump into the 3 number. 3. Very good. Come. Hanshu, jump into the 5 number. 5. Very good. Come. Harsha, jump into the 2 number. 2. Very good. Come. Vik, jump into the 1 number. 1. Very good. Roman, jump into the 8 number. 8. Very good. Come. Arishi, jump into the 12 number. 12. Come. Paridhi, jump into the 4 number. Very good. Come. Indra, jump into the 6 number. Very good.